If your optional is PSIR, then I have some things that you should and should not do. So when it comes to what you should be doing, I'll suggest you to build a PSIR vocabulary. So I've been saying this for a very long period of time that if you add some keywords to your answer which are native to the subject, then you'll sound like a scholar of the subject, and that's where you get some extra marks. What you should be doing? You should learn to develop counter arguments. So whenever you read something, you're writing an answer, just think, can there be a second perspective to it? And if there is a second perspective, then include it in your answers. That makes your answer comprehensive. You should learn to connect theory with current affairs. So what do we think? That there are certain areas which are purely theoretical, but that's not true. If you learn to include current affairs into your theory portions, then you do get some extra marks in your exam. Now when it comes to what you should not be doing, so please don't postpone your answer writing. Well, I understand, nahi aata hai, घबराहट होती है, but you have to start somewhere. And this is a skill that takes time to develop. So don't postpone answer writing. Don't wait for the completion of the syllabus. Begin wherever you are. Start by writing one summary, start by writing one answer, start by writing PYQs, but do start. Also, what you should not be doing is avoiding reading newspapers. Now I know a lot of magazines are available, we provide you PSIR fix, but I still recommend that you should be spending some time reading your newspapers because they teach you comprehension. And comprehension is a very important skill in PSIR optional. It helps you understand your detailed notes better, you understand the demand of the question better. So even if it's say 1 hour a day, do read newspapers. And finally, please don't run after value addition. So you hear a lot, include scholars, include data, but well, please understand that value addition cannot be in vacuum. कुछ होगा तभी तो उसमें value add करेंगे. So your priority should be concept building and then build value addition into it. By the way, if you're looking to join our PSIR Foundation course, only 2 days are left because the pre-launch discount ends on 30th of June. So check courses.upscprep.com and I'll see you in class.